Ever wondered if there's an investment out there that could outshine the timeless appeal of gold? Well, get ready for a revelation, because in 2023, Bitcoin has not just outshone gold, but it's left it in the dust with a mind-blowing 144% surge. The question now is, are you ready to ride the wave of financial innovation? Imagine this. Bitcoin's value skyrocketing while gold struggles to keep up with a mere 14% increase. This isn't just a statistic, it's a bold statement, a seismic shift in the narrative of traditional investments. So, if you've been pondering the next big thing in finance or itching to understand what sets Bitcoin apart, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we dive into the highs and lows of both crypto and traditional markets, unveiling the secrets behind Bitcoin's meteoric rise and its dominance as a formidable investment asset. But hold on, you're probably staring at that thumbnail and thinking, why is Bitcoin outperforming gold? That, my friends, is the million-dollar question we're about to answer. Gold, the age-old safe haven asset, has seen a modest 14% increase. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has defied expectations with a jaw-dropping 144% surge. This isn't just a financial story. It's a tale of evolving landscapes and shifting tides in the world of investments. And you might be wondering, what about gold's reputation as a safe haven? Excellent question. While gold has its merits, Bitcoin's surge signals a shift in investor sentiment. We're entering an era where stability meets volatility, and Bitcoin is leading the charge. But let's not just talk numbers. Let's look at real-time reactions. A recent tweet from Bitcoin Magazine shouts, "Bitcoin is up 144% this year. Gold is only up 14%. There is no second best." This tweet emphasizes the magnitude of Bitcoin's dominance. Now let's dive into the heart of the matter. Why is Bitcoin rewriting the rules of the game with a 144% surge? The answer lies in the growing confidence of both retail and institutional investors in the potential of digital currencies. As we explore this landscape, understand that Bitcoin's rise isn't just a milestone, it's a testament to its position as a dominant player in the financial world. But why are investors flocking to Bitcoin? Because it's not just an investment, it's a revolution, challenging the conventional notions of safe haven assets. So let's dissect the factors contributing to Bitcoin's meteoric rise. In this era of financial evolution, Bitcoin stands as a symbol of innovation, disrupting traditional investment norms. And here's a twist: the contrasting trajectories of Bitcoin and gold. While gold has been the go-to in times of economic uncertainty, Bitcoin's ascent challenges this status quo. Investors are now faced with a choice: stick to the tried and tested or venture into the uncharted territories of digital currencies. Robert Kiyosaki, the financial sage from Rich Dad Poor Dad, adds another layer to the Bitcoin narrative. He issues a warning, advocating a shift to real assets and, interestingly, Bitcoin. This isn't just about outperforming gold, it's positioning Bitcoin as a hedge against economic uncertainties. In times of economic turbulence, investors seek refuge in assets that can withstand the storm. Historically, gold has been the go-to option. However, in the 21st century, Bitcoin emerges as a compelling alternative. Its decentralized nature, limited supply, and growing adoption contribute to its allure as a hedge against inflation and economic instability. Now, if you're still not convinced, here's a surprise. We've only scratched the surface of Bitcoin's remarkable journey this year. There's more to this story than meets the eye, and we'll uncover it together. Behind every statistic, there's a story. The surge in Bitcoin's value isn't just a number. It's a reflection of mainstream acceptance and growing interest in digital currencies as viable investment vehicles. The financial landscape is evolving, and Bitcoin's performance is a beacon guiding investors through uncharted waters. As we navigate this intricate tapestry of finance, consider the broader implications of Bitcoin's significant milestone. The 144% surge isn't an isolated event. It's part of a larger narrative that challenges conventional wisdom. Bitcoin's rise speaks to a generation seeking alternatives, unafraid to explore beyond the confines of traditional investments. So, are you ready to explore the dynamic world of digital currencies? The journey doesn't end here. It's only the beginning. Stick around as we unravel the potential and possibilities that Bitcoin brings to the table. Now, let's loop back to our initial questions. Why is Bitcoin outperforming gold? And what does this mean for the future of investments? This isn't just a story of percentages and market trends. It's a narrative of evolution and adaptation in the face of a changing financial landscape. In summary, we've witnessed the revolution unfolding before our eyes. Bitcoin's surge, the contrast with gold, and the changing landscape of investments paint a vivid picture of a financial world in flux. This isn't just a story, it's a call to action. The next chapter awaits, and it's time to embrace the dynamic and innovative nature of the digital age. The 144% surge in Bitcoin's value isn't just a numerical milestone. It's a reflection of a paradigm shift in the way we perceive and engage with wealth. As we continue to navigate the dynamic and innovative landscape of the digital age, Bitcoin stands as a symbol of resilience and adaptability. You've delved into the crypto revolution with us. Check out our last video for essential insights on navigating the crypto space. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.